Ayan. Happy birthday, my angel, my coach. Happy 50th birthday to you. Diba? Golden na. O, diba? O. At saka, syempre, ang ano ko sa'yo, always wear your smile. Diba? Good health sa'yo at saka, syempre, golden na. Diba? Kailangan talaga natin ingatan yung ating health kasi yun lang talaga yung kayamanan na hindi mabibili. 'Di ba? Kaya happy talaga yan kasi makapag-celebrate ka talaga nakasama ang family. 'Di ba? At saka napakasaya at selebrasyon dahil kasama ang family. Saka ito na iano ko na rin na personal ako nagpapasalamat at lagi ko naman talaga tong pasalamat ako dahil sa'yo, ikaw ang nag-angel ko at ito, nandito ako, ang daming blessing na dumating sa akin dahil sa'yo. Kaya pinagpapasalamat ko yan. At syempre, dahil birthday mo ngayon, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coach. And I love you, Coach. Basta, alam mo yan. Diba? Thank you. And God bless.
Dito po ako pang ipaabot ang aking pagbati sa aking anghel na nagdala sa akin sa negosyo sa Global Pinoy Traveling Tours. Andito po ako upang sabihin na maligayang karawan po, Coach Gina, and wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with a smile and a blessing and blissful moment. May the year ahead and bring you everything you've been hoping for, and I wish you always get more blessing from the Lord, and God bless you and always bless to your family. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach Gina. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Thank you sa mga tinuro mo sa akin, sa mga advice mo sa akin na balik-balik lang sa training at huwag manawa. Yon ang lagi kong tinatandaan dahil yan ang lagi mong bilin sa akin. And then, sana marami ka pang maturuan at syempre papasalamat din ako sa mga pag-guide mo sa akin dito sa ating business, and I hope maba pa ang iyong buhay, marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyong buhay, and stay good health and stay humble and be patient. Yun lang. Happy 50th birthday, Coach Gina.
Happy birthday, Coach Gina. Hindi lang po namin coach, kundi mentor at inspirasyon. So, kami ay grateful ng aking partner na nakilala po namin kayo ni Ma'am Beth. At sana po patuloy niyo po kaming gabayan sa lahat ng oras. Hindi po. Sana po marami pa pong blessing at success na dumating sa inyong buhay. So, naway po, gabayan po kayo ng ating Panginoon at bigyan pa po kayo ng mabuting kalusugan. So, ayan po. More power and God bless po sa inyo po. Sana maging masaya po kayo ngayon sa inyong kaarawan. Sana po, susunod na birthday nyo, andyan po kami para makikain. Charot lang. Happy birthday, Coach Gina.
Hi, Coach Gina. Wishing you, Coach, a happy birthday. A year filled with success, good health, happiness, and then long life. Then Thank you, Coach, for being good to me. Thank you for teaching me everything in our business. Stay pretty, stay kind, and may God bless you and your family always. Happy birthday, Coach!
Hi, hello Coach. Good morning. Happy birthday. At sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday at always healthy. Kasama na rin ang family mo. Thank you sa lahat ng pag-guide sa amin. At siyempre, thank you din dahil sa iyo nagkaroon ako ng magandang negosyo. At siyempre, negosyong panghabang buhay. At saka thank you din sa laging paggabay sa aming lahat na under sa iyo. So, happy birthday and God bless.
To my angel, Manje Nagalimbas, wishing you a wonderful day filled with happiness and a year full of success, good health, and great achievements. Thank you for being such supportive and hardworking mentor. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Coach Gina. Sa mga nating natanaw mo palagi, more birthday to come and more blessing.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Gina Kalimbas. Wishing you a day full of love, laughter, and everything you enjoy. Happy birthday, Ma'am. Love you.
Hi, Ma'am Gina. Happy 50th birthday. Si Ma'am Gina is not only my mentor, but she is also a friend, a family, and a million thanks for the guidance, the help, the support, and the reminders to make pasok sa mga trainings. And Mom, I wish you all the best, the happiness, the desires of your heart to be fulfilled, and I'm looking forward to see you in person. More birthdays to come and more hearts to ponder, and also more cakes to slice. Once again, happiest 50th birthday. Thank you and enjoy and take care, and life is beautiful.
Hello, Coach! Hello, Coach Gina! Happy birthday! May God bless you always, Coach, and happiness always, together with your family. And thank you so much, Coach, sa pag-guide mo sa amin, sa mga learnings na tinuturo mo sa amin, at walang sawang pagturo, at saka yung mga sinusundo mo kami sa mga training. Thank you so much, Coach. At saka maraming salamat na napabilang ako dito sa grupo mo. So basta maraming salamat, at may God bless you always, at sana hindi ka magsawa. Basta enjoy sa birthday mo, Coach, at saka yung family mo. So tomorrow is your birthday. So ginawa ko tong video, mababilisan lang. Basta thank you so much, Coach. God bless, and may you have more birthday, many more birthdays to come. So I love you, Coach Jean. Bye-bye.